The fastest speed a cheetah is clocked at is approximately 120 kilometers per hour. So if you ever find yourself being chased by a bloodthirsty predator, you can thank us later. Welcome to Posh Future. In this video, we'll be looking at the top 7 fastest cars you have to buy in 2021. Whether you're a speed maniac or a James Bond wannabe, you definitely want to check out one of these. Car companies are in a literal race to produce faster and faster cars, constantly breaking old records and setting new ones. If you want to get in on some of the action, stay tuned till the end. Keep watching to find out which of these cars moves faster than the speed of sound, and which of your favorite celebrities has a secret need for speed. At number 7 is the Pagani Huayra BC Roadster. According to Pagani, the goal is not to follow car trends, but to build truly timeless creations. Shaped by hand and weighing in at a whopping 1,250 kilograms, this road machine claims a top speed of 230 miles per hour, or 370 kilometers per hour. At an asking price of $3.4 million, the metallic gray convertible is definitely worth the price, boasting 791 horsepower. In the words of Horacio Pagani himself, sum it up: inspired at the highest level by beauty and scientific research in its every form. Coming in at number 6 is the Aston Martin Valkyrie. In Norse mythology, a Valkyrie is one of a host of female figures who decide who will die in battle. I'm sure you're thinking, wait, what? It might sound like something from Thor, but rest assured the capabilities of this supercar are no mythological tale. The product of a hot calibration between Aston Martin and Red Bull Racing, the Valkyrie is the most powerful naturally aspirated engine ever to be fitted to a production road car. It is no wonder that it cost $3 million. Its interior is specifically designed for comfort, and its seats are tailored to fit passengers' frames. In just 2.6 seconds, this car can move from a standstill to 60 miles per hour. It accelerates to a top speed of 250 miles per hour, or 402 kilometers per hour. You definitely wouldn't want to be chased by something driving this road machine. Number 5 is the SSC Tuatara. If you're over 6 feet tall and find it hard to fit in some of those fast cars you love, you're in luck. According to its makers, the SSC Tuatara can comfortably seat a 6 foot 5 inch tall person wearing a helmet. Fitted with luscious curves, the Tuatara is a hypercar unlike any other. Its butterfly doors look like something out of a cool sci-fi movie, opening to reveal a teardrop canopy, providing the passengers with sweeping views. The car is named after a New Zealand reptile. It claims a top speed in excess of 300 miles per hour. However, its latest attempt was clocked at 289.2 miles per hour. It has another speed attempt scheduled for the second quarter of 2021. It also has 3 driving modes, namely Sport, Track, and Lift. The luxurious car goes for a price of $1.9 million. The Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300 rides in as number 4. Cristiano Ronaldo doesn't own just 1, but 3 Bugatti cars, including the super-fast Bugatti Chiron. At a speed of 304 miles per hour, this speed monster would accelerate past a fast-moving train in less than 14 seconds. Bugatti presented this high-performance car during its 110-year anniversary tour in Europe. The exterior of this bad boy consists of a lacquer-coated carbon fiber body. Orange stripes streak across the car, giving it a racy look. Cristiano isn't the only one cruising in this machine, as Kylie Jenner also added one steaming hot Bugatti Chiron to her garage. Only 30 productions of this supercar are available, making it deliciously exclusive. The car is valued at a whopping $3.9 million. If you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. Now let's count down to our top 3. Holding the coveted position of number 3 is the Hennessy Venom F5. No, it's not that popular brewery we're talking about. Looking like something James Bond could drive, this coupe costs $2.1 million. It possesses a mind-blowing speed of 311 miles per hour, or 501 kilometers per hour. However, company CEO John Hennessy explains that the vehicle's top speed is just a byproduct of engineering, not the goal. Easy to say when your car is one of the fastest in the world. Its interior could nicely substitute your living room, lined with plush leather sourced from one of Europe's oldest tanneries, the Muirhead Tannery in Glasgow. A 9-inch touchscreen, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can vibe to your favorite music as you go on a weekend joyride. The Venom F5 is not only built for speed, but can be comfortably driven on a regular highway. so you can drive this baby on your way to a fancy restaurant, just as well as you can perform neck-turning swerves and drifts on a racecourse. Koenigsegg Go Absolute. Its Swedish name might sound like a tongue twister, but the Koenigsegg Go Absolute is undoubtedly one of the fastest cars in the world. It boasts a seemingly impossible speed of 531 kilometers per hour, though it has not been fully tested yet. Inspired by the F-15 fighter jet, its luscious silver exterior promises pulse-jumping speed. Its starting price is $2.8 million, giving it not just a reputation for speed, but for priciness as well. The maker of the car, Christian von Koenigsegg, told CarBuzz, "This car is capable of incredible speeds. We probably will be restricted by road and driver willingness than the car itself. In other words, if it doesn't go fast, that's on you." And now, number 1, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, and comment. Our number 1 car is the Thrust SSC. Sound travels at a speed of 761 miles per hour. It happens almost instantaneously. Now you must be wondering, how on earth can a car move faster than that? Well, somewhere on Earth called Nevada, this record was set in 1997, when Andy Green drove the Thrust SSC within Black Rock Desert in Nevada, USA. Powered by 2 afterburning Rolls-Royce Spey turbofan engines, as used in the British version of the F-14 Phantom II jet fighter, the monster achieved a speed of 763 miles per hour. Incredible, right? It is 54 feet long and 12 feet wide. It is now displayed at the Coventry Transport Museum in Coventry, England. No one dare drive this king on any old highway. So that's it for today. Which of these cars would you like to own? Please let us know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications to see more amazing content. Give this video a big thumbs up and share to all your friends. See you next time.